Installing your beautiful new privacy shears couldn't be simpler. First, decide where you'll be installing the brackets. The brackets offer two methods of fixing. You can top fix the brackets to the top of the recess, or face fix them onto a wall or window frame. Whichever method you choose, be sure to check that the brackets are fitted far enough forward that they will clear any handles protruding from the window. Top fixing is the most common method when fitting the blind inside a recess and is usually the easiest. Face fixing is usually used when fitting the blind outside the recess, as the brackets must be attached to the wall or to a wooden batten or architrave. It can also prove the quickest method of installing if you have a wooden window frame, though in this case, don't forget to check that the blind will clear any protruding handles. Once you've decided which fitting method to use, position your brackets. The two outermost brackets should be around 50 mm in from the sides of the recess, with any remaining brackets distributed evenly between them. Next, use a pencil to mark the positions of the screw holes. Use a small size 3 drill bit to drill pilot holes first, then open those out with a size 6 drill bit for a neat finish and an easier install. Tap a roll plug into each hole, then screw the brackets firmly in place. To fit the rail into top fix brackets, simply hook the front lip of the head rail under the front lip of the bracket, then raise the back of the rail and press up firmly until it snaps into place. Ensure that the rail is securely held by each bracket. With your rail installed, use the control wand to turn the hooks so that their open part is facing toward you. Next, take the fabric and fold each piece in half horizontally. Attach each piece of fabric to the next using the hangers that are pre-attached to the fabric. Take your connected fabric and attach it to the rail using the hangers you clip together. Simply push each hanger up into its corresponding hook until it clicks into place. And it's as easy as that. Your new blind is fitted and ready for you to enjoy. If you have any problems fitting your blind, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help, 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.